Welcome to the eSale Instructor Tutorial, setting up the Mediasite collection in Canvas. This tutorial will walk you through the process to ensure your students can view the recorded sessions. First, log into Canvas at https://canvas.tamu.edu. Second, enter your Net ID, click Next, then enter your password and click Sign In. When prompted by your phone's Do application, tap the Approved button. You are now logged into Canvas. Choose your course from your dashboard. Once in your course, click Settings at the bottom of the course menu, then click Navigation at the top of the settings page. Scroll down the page to find the Mediasite collection menu item, click the three dots and choose Enable. This will move it up to the active portion of the menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the navigation page and click Save to save the change. You did it! Whoop! Keep in mind that the collection is how your students view your class session videos. To set up instructor access, please see our tutorial My Mediasite. Set up the link in Canvas. If you need more help, please contact us at esale@tamu.edu.